Welcome back to the channel. Want to install IPA Files on your iPhone or iPad completely on a computer? In today's video, I'll walk you through the new KSign iOS update easily without getting revoke. Let's dive into it. First, open Safari. Then open AppleJr.xyz. Good news for you guys. I have created a new website for esign or KSign, especially for AppleJr fans. For the next video, I will focus on this website for the latest updates about sideloading with the new certificate. First of all, you have to install DNS. Without DNS, this method does not work. Click Install DNS on this yellow button, then click Allow, and install the AppleJr profile by going to Setting. Hit Profile Downloaded, then click Install. After that, go back to the AppleJr website or click AppleJr icon on your home screen to install KSign. Click Install KSign on this website. You can click Install button or mirror button if the KSign unable to install on your iPhone or iPad. Or you can install them one by one on the list of links available on this website. After KSign is successfully installed, trust the certificate by going to Settings, General, VPN, and Device Management. Then click Trust or Allow and restart. After trusted, you can now launch esign on your device. In this new update of KSign, you may be confused about how to use it. First, please import the certificate to KSign. Maybe the KSign I will be a little different on iPhone and iPad. Go to the certificate menu on KSign. Then, click plus button on the right corner. Then the certificate setting will appear. Then go back to AppleJr website. Open Tab Certificate. Then download the certificate for Sign and Sign. Then save the certificate into Files app. Open Files app, find the certificate that you downloaded earlier. Then unzip the certificate to extract into a folder. Go back to KSign again. Then click Import Certificate Sign File. Select the certificate for KSign extension. Click that to import it. Now, the certificate for KSign has been successfully imported. On the next step, you can import any IPA files that want to install. Go to Files tab on KSign. Find the IPA files that want to install. Click the IPA and then import to AppleJr. If you can't click IPA files, you can click Change this layout to change the appearance like in this video. Then go to Library. Click App icon, then click Sign and Install. And the last, click Start Signing. The IPA files will automatically installed and appear on home screen. Now, you have successfully installed any IPA files using KSign. And that's your full guide to the new KSign iOS update. Install IPA files easily with no computer, no jailbreak, and no stress. If this video helped, drop a like, subscribe for more iOS tips, and comment your favorite app store on iOS below.